Welcome to Simple Inventory Manager. I will show you how you can track each product in your warehouse to tell when it has been entered, when it's going out, and with this option, we will help you to make the bill for the storage duration. Here is a classical Simple Inventory Manager with the family and the barcodes where you can enter a product into the shelves with a reference of operation, and where you can also, of course, remove the products from stock. Then into the logbook, you get the track of everything which is going on. Based on this logbook, you can have a summary, a report with the print button. Into an Excel file, you get the summary of what is going on. For this product, at the date of today, which is 24th of October, you have 31 products in shelves. And this operation has been an input of 1. This operation has been removing 2. This one is adding 3, adding 5, adding 23. And the total time spent by product into stock is the 106 days multiplied by quantity. The same for this other reference. And this time we spend a lot of time into stock because we have many products, as you can see here. Thank you very much.